Yeah guys, so right now it's about to go down. Make some fruit cake here right now. Yeah, we have nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, got some browning, vanilla, some butter, some egg, the good old white rum, red label wine, and we are gonna make about a dozen of them cake, right? Alright, so stay tuned. Watch how me do it. Flip it easy, easy, 1, 2, 3. Christmas time, you see it? This is all the wet ingredients I'm gonna use. 8 eggs right there. We use some butter. We use some raisins, yeah. Some rum. And we have some browning, vanilla, and the red label wine. So this is all we use. Alright, here we go. So this is all the fruits, raisin, everything. So we're gonna blend them up. Yep. Get the cover. I won't let you hear the noise, but yeah. Alright, so that's all blended.
You really need to wrap your like put compression on it.
So we're gonna pour the eggs in there this now. Alright, put all the wet ingredients in. So in the pack of butter, four of these come inside. And I'm gonna just use 3 of them. So I'm gonna use them 3, put it aside. Yeah? Yeah, so we're gonna drop it in here. Yeah, so as you can see, I put 3 of them. I leave 1. This is, you can find maybe not these brand, but other brands at Walmart with 4 of these inside. So yeah, so you use 3 of them. I put them inside here. So I'm gonna, it's like a step-by-step process. So while that's mixing, we reach for the vanilla. So guys, it's like a tablespoon. Teaspoon the smaller one, tablespoon the bigger one. So yeah, that's it. I don't measure. I'm sorry, but I don't. So right now it's dry ingredients time, right? Alright, that's good, right? This is a good consistency. So what we are gonna now, we are gonna just pour everything inside this. I'm trying to use one hand. Yeah, so pour everything inside this. I'm not gonna pour everything one time, and then you know you sieve it. You don't want no. Seems like I'm gonna have to use 2, but that's what I'm gonna do. As I said, I'm gonna sift this. Yeah, I think trying to use one hand, but it's not working, so I'm gonna have to sift it first before I put it in this. Both of them. This is the flour and this is the sugar. This is the baking powder. Yeah. And then we're gonna get the nutmeg and all of that. We're gonna get all of these, and everything is gonna have to go through the strainer. Yeah, because you don't want no lump. So guys, look, even though I made a little mess right here, I'm gonna clean that up. You see why it's good to sieve your sugar when you're baking? Because look at all those lumps. Imagine you put it inside here, you know, and spin it, maybe it didn't get crushed out, you know. Some big lump of sugar would be in the slices, you know, it wouldn't. Yeah, so that's the reason I sift them, you know. Yeah man, so everything here is gonna get sifted. Nutmeg, so I use a tablespoon of everything, meaning a tablespoon of nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, you understand? And this is 1 cup of sugar, so I'm gonna pour it in this. Right, it's right here. There you go. Pour it in that. So I did pour everything in there, and I'm gonna mix it up before I put it in the mixer. Yeah. so one more thing. This is it, brown in. If you ever wonder how you get that dark color there, the man said we have to put half bottle of that tonight. Right? That's how it will get a nice color. Yeah, that's all we have put tonight because the consistency I it good already, you know. So yeah man, can give him touch him up a notch there. Some more speed on him. Yeah. And again, last we're gonna add some red label before we, you know, finish with it. But step by step ingredients. You can't add everything one time, you know. So browning, as I say, so you can get the nice brown color. Yeah man, and then we have to add the red label. And then we have to taste it. Because anything you are cooking, you have to taste it. So now taste it. You know, if it's sweet enough, you need more sugar, you know, that's it. And then we throw it in the oven. So yeah. Alright guys, so last thing I'm gonna do, see, mix consistency nice. Red label. So we'll put probably half cup in it. Guys, I almost forget. I put some of this now. The Ray and Nephew. See? I put this working right now. Look on it. So they write this up when I make it process or so. Less than a quarter cup. Yeah man, that's it. Guys, I almost forget. I put some of this now. The Ray and Nephew. See? I put this working right now. Look on it. So they write this up when I make it process or so. Less than a quarter cup. Yeah man, that's it. That's it. Alright. Remember, this is the wrapping from the butter, yeah? So do like this. Understand? You can do all of them like this. Yep. And we're gonna add, we have some butter, some flour, I should say. We're gonna do it like this. And I usually do like this. Bam. Yep. Usually bounce it around. See? Yeah, that's what I usually do before I pour anything inside there. Get a little more so it don't stick. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do all of them like that. Alright, time to pour now. Yeah, there's it right there. See it? Looking good. I have to get 3 serving out of this. Ooh. Right there. Smell good, man. So we get 1, 2, 3 serving. That's good. Yeah guys, so this is how we're looking. Into the oven it goes, you know. Let me see consistency. Yes. You don't want it too thick, trust me. Nice right there. Yeah man. Into the oven they go. Yep, that's how we're looking, that's how we're looking. In the oven. In the oven. I've got some down here, so almost finished. Is it? Yeah man. They're coming on, they're coming on. Yeah. Yeah guys, so this is the final product. Right here we got some wine. Same wine I used to make it. I'm gonna just do like this. You understand? Yeah. Just base it all over again. Yeah, all of them. So we do all of them like this before we send them out. So we're just basting them again, you know? Yeah, all of them. See? Yeah, man. Look at that. See all of them? Yeah. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We do 9 of them today. Guys, remember to subscribe. Okay, please do subscribe. One love, people. Yeah, man. So you have the Jamaican fruit cake, and they call it rum cake, they call it black cake, you know, whatever. Yeah, man. So much name. All right. Big up everybody.